Hello everyone, so this is just going to be a quick introduction to using MarvinSketch. I'm using it on the Mac right now. And so on our left side we see all of the tools that we have, and on the top you might not be able to see it right now, but we have our different options that we can choose from. So why don't we start by drawing a cyclohexane. So on our left we can select our single bond tool. We can draw it manually. As you can see, I'm not very good at drawing, so it does look a little bit ugly, but that's okay. If we head down to the bottom, you'll be able to see that there are already pre-made chemical structures already made for you. You click on one of that, and we'll have a structure already made. Now, if you don't want to use a pre-made structure, you can highlight your drawn molecule, and then you go up to the top and click Clean in 2D, and it'll give you some options. If you click that, it'll clean up your structure right away. Okay, so why don't we add a double bond to our structure? So I'm going to go click the single bond right there, and I'm going to hover over that bond. If I click onto the corners there, it'll come out as a branch. So if I click onto my actual bond, it'll add that single bond onto it. So now you've got some different options here. We're going to go down and we're going to find that reaction arrow. I'm going to draw it in. Now, as we draw it in, you see that there is a plus sign there. So that is essentially, it shows up whenever there is a reaction sign automatically. So we can hover over that and highlight and delete. Now if we head over to the left again, we can click the little T, meaning text, and we're going to give it bromine for this reaction. At the bottom, it's bromine 2, so you click our subscript, bromine 2, and then we're going to run this reaction in dichloromethane. So again, CH2 subscript and Cl2 subscript. After that, you can just drag it onto your reaction arrow, and there you go. Okay, so now let's draw our product. I'm going to go down there, click my cyclohexane that's already pre-made, drag it onto the end. I'm going to go up to my single bonds. I'm going to draw in our structure, and we're going to change those methyl groups into bromines. Now for this reaction, the bromines aren't going to be lying flat right against the sheets. They're actually going to be coming out of the page, and they're also going to be going into the page. And because of this reaction, you're not just going to get one form of product. We're going to copy, and then we're going to paste, and we're actually going to create enantiomers. Again, the plus sign came out, and so we can go back up to the left side, switch it out, and we'll have our enantiomer products.